Hello again guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I am Isay, and in this channel, I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. It would really help my channel so much, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and click that notification bell to keep you updated in my future videos. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I create a full coverage makeup look. As you can see, I have nothing in my face right now, and I just did my eyebrows because it will take me some time to do my eyebrows, but the rest, it's all nothing on my face right now. And I'm gonna show you and how I create a full coverage makeup look using drugstore products and some high-end products that I have purchased on Winners on my recent hauls that I did. So I'm gonna show you how I create a full face coverage look. So to start off, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Glow Up Primer Serum. So I've been using this for quite some time. This comes with this like a dropper. You just have to press this one to get the product, and there's a little product, and just drop on your face. Let's prime first before putting any foundation on our face. So what I do, I'll just spread it gently with my hands. After I primed, I'm gonna use this Sephora it says full coverage and long lasting foundation. So I have been using this for quite some time right now, and what I noticed is just small pinch or small product gives you a long full coverage, provides you a full coverage, and goes a long way with just this small product. So let's just start off with what I do. I put it on my hands, spread it over my face, just dot. Because this one feels like lightweight, not heavy on the skin, and it's not cakey. So I'm using my e.l.f. sponge. Just gonna spray it with my e.l.f. primer to wet it a little bit, and then spread it with the sponge. As you can see guys, it's spreading pretty good, and it's just in a small amount of the product covers your face and gives you a full coverage effect. I'm using my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Just gonna get it up here. Oops. And then I'm gonna use my sponge again. Slightly dabbing to highlight or over dark circles and conceal some dark spots. A very nice product and very affordable, the e.l.f. one. So I highly recommend e.l.f. Concealer, 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It's not cakey under the eyes. As you can see, it smoothens and covers my dark spots under the eye. Next, I'm gonna use my powder brush. It's Moda Pro, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution Banana Light baking powder. I'm just gonna put it under this cap, tip on my brush, and just spread to conceal my foundation. Going to the neck to even out the complexion. And next, I'm gonna contour using my Japanese angled brush. I'm gonna dip my brush to the MAC Patrick Star bronzer. This one is a huge one, and for sure this one I'm gonna last long. So I'm just dabbing it here to contour my face, going up. And I'm also putting some here on my jawline. It's just a sheer and buildable product. Next up, with my Real Techniques blush brush, I'm gonna use my Essence blush in 70 Believing. This is the shade. It's like a mauvey rose. A very affordable and very pigmented product, the Essence one. Dipping it and using it as my blush. And up. Just gentle tap. Just a little glow. Higher. Not more. You can see also, you can also do that like a sun-kissed blush. And the next stop, I'm using my Japanese brush in 718. I'm gonna use again the Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is how it looks like to highlight my cheeks. I think I'm gonna grab this shade, dab my brush, and as you can see, it's a nice sheer, glowy, and a glowy skin. Light dab, going high. You can also put under your eyebrows. As you can see the glow already. It's pigmented and buildable product. Very nice. See the difference now? The other one and this one. And finish up. Under the eyebrows. And on the bridge of the nose. the difference now? Nice. And I already prepped my lips with my favorite lip balm, Aos lip balm. And just gonna do the lips. So we'll do the MAC and 411 Love Me lipstick. It's a nude shade. This is how it looks like. Let's go for nude. There. Such just a neutral look. So this is how I do my full face makeup. And keep watching on my next video. I'm gonna show you how I create my eyeshadow looks. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and if you like my tutorial, please don't forget to comment down below any video requests or any questions. I would really love to hear from you guys. And thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.